Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the observatory. I've got a short video that I wanted to talk about today. It is freezing cold here at the observatory, and I am wearing a puffer jacket because of it. Hopefully it's not too scratchy in the video. We'll see. But my video today is going to be talking about an unboxing. Yeah, so we received two things in the mail. We've received our TeleVue 2x Powermate, and we have received our TeleVue 4x Powermate, and we are excited to open both of these. I have already opened the 2x Powermate entirely, but I wanted to fully unbox the 4x for you guys. So here we go. Beautifully wrapped, by the way. They do a great job. It comes in bubble wrap as well as a layer below it. So once you get it out of the bubble wrap, it pulls back pretty easily. It is then wrapped at the bottom to hold it extra secure. You get that off of there, and they have a nice tight wrap on it, so you can just undo that. There we go. And we pull it on out. Now, it does come with a 1.25 reducer. We will probably never use that. So let's just take these caps off. Boom, there's one. And two. And now to look down it, there's my eyeball. Or if you wanted to see down the front this way. Hello. It's probably not going to come very much into focus. There we go. Now you can see how beautifully crafted these things are. Wow, look at that, you guys. That's just absolutely spectacular. Made in Japan. And holy moly, is this beautiful. I almost feel like I need to be wearing gloves. And you can see it says TeleVue 4x Powermate. So in case you were wondering what a Powermate does, or what even a Powermate is, it is a optical device called a Barlow lens, and this has been a slightly modified version of it to include another element to smooth it out a little bit. But all this device does is it enlarges the image that it looks at. It zooms in on it. And so this takes your telescope and effectively takes it and doubles or quadruples the focal length, depending on which one you're using. So this 4x here will give you 4 times the amount of zoom that you're normally used to on your telescope. So we'll set this one down, and we'll get the 2x out as well next to it so we can compare it. They have slightly different designs, not by a whole lot though. So let me pull out this reducer and get off the cover. Okay, there we go. So you can see the 4x here is actually bigger than the 2x in length. And I'm not exactly sure why that is. Also, the field of view on the 2x is way bigger. Look at that. That is just massive. Yeah, if you compare the two of them side by side, look at how much bigger the field of view you get on the 2x is. And you look at the front, the field stops. Here we go. Look at how different they are. The field stop on the 4x here is so tiny compared to the field stop on the 2x. I can't wait to try these guys out, though. I can't wait. They're beautifully, beautifully machined. What happens if you take... I can see this easily unscrews here. What does that do? Is this for attaching it to imaging? Oh, yeah. So if you want to attach this directly to your imaging train, look at that. Look how bulbous this lens is. Absolutely gorgeous. Holy moly. There she is, you guys. That is the TeleVue 4x Powermate. So let's put this back together. You reverse the threads and then screw it down so you don't accidentally cross thread. Very important. Holy moly, is that machined well. And let's put the reducer back on, screw it tight, cap it back up, and there we go. This one, how does, you know, I'm intrigued. Does this come off like this? Is this, you know, maybe we shouldn't do that. What should we? Let's see. No. Do not do that. Do not. In case you wanted to do that, I just saw the side of the element. So yeah, you don't want to be taking this one off. So this one just stays like this. Don't take anything off. If you want to do some, I don't know how this one's supposed to attach. I'll have to look more into this one, but it's interesting that it is clearly just unscrews right here in the middle. It's got a nice thick thread right here. So we will be using these on our Ritchie telescope, and they will slot directly into the eyepiece holder, and then our current system will go into the back here, attach on, we're good to go. So we don't need to adjust anything on this at all. This is exactly how it's going to go into our system. And the 2 times Powermate will put us at roughly F9, and it will put us at about F9 at 6,300. Yeah, just under 6,300 millimeter focal length. And then when we step up to the 4 times this guy right here, this will be F18, and that will be at 12,580-ish. Yeah, so just 12,600 millimeters, roughly. So very, very long focal length, and still only F18. So extremely fast for a 4 times Powermate, and I can't wait to try this out. It's going to be unreal. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video today. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed, and we will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.